And then last but not least, the 1955 Pontiac Star Chief Convertible.
Beautiful.
I love this car.
Yep.
Black and mist white over black and white. Long-term ownership. It's an older restoration, but you sure wouldn't know it by looking at it.
Mhm.
It is really well
Held up
done
well.
and held up well. I always tell people, there's nothing wrong with an older restoration because it'll tell you things that something that's freshly restored may not tell you yet.
That's right.
So there's nothing wrong with an older restoration, and the quality of the products back then maybe could have been better or worse. You don't know, but don't hold it against the car because it was restored 20 years ago. Look at the overall quality of the car.
That's
You
right.
can tell the difference. This one's got the 287 cubic inch Strato Streak V8. 4-speed hydromatic automatic transmission, all the options you could imagine. So check out those and any of the other cars, classicautomall.com.